massacre to conduct genocide against the Oromo, and Turkish drone, the Chinese drones, which have been bought by Ethiopia by using the foreign aid that they've received from Western world, is being used to strike civilians, is being used to conduct genocide up and down Oromia, in northern Oromia, in western Oromia, in eastern Oromia, and including in Tigray. So this is what we want to tell you, the UK public. We owe our taxpayers, and our tax money, my tax money, is going in the form of financial aid to Ethiopia, a country that is conducting genocide against all people. Because we're saying this to the British people, British government, because you have initiated international laws, international conventions. Therefore, the genocide that is being perpetrated against the Oromo is considered, it should be considered like the genocide perpetrated against British people, perpetrated against American people, and all those countries that are signatory to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, to all the norms, the values of the British people. When innocent people are facing massacre in Oromia, everywhere in Africa for that matter, it is the British value, it is the Western value, it's democratic value that is being attacked. So we demand, we ask you to not just listen to us, just go Google what we're talking about, contact your MPs, influence your representatives. And we want to say thank you for the British government for taking actions and for putting pressures on the government of Ethiopia, and we would like you to continue to put that pressure. And we want to see interventions, we want to see military interventions in that empire to stop the massacre, to stop the genocide. The world community, you failed Rwanda because you said you don't want to interfere in the foreign internal affairs of countries. You failed Rwanda in front of us, and now you are failing Tigray. Now you are failing Oromo. The largest nation in Africa is facing genocide. Take action now, the British public. We're saying this to the British people, to the passerbys, to the people who are standing there and listening to us, staring at us. We are telling you the very value that people died for is now being attacked. The democratic values are being attacked. If the democratic values are attacked in Africa, today it could be Oromo, today it could be Tigray, but tomorrow it's going to be all of us. Thank you.
warri gamarra dhaabbataa jirtan garana yoo siqan malee waan nurraan ala jirtan fakkaatu. Walitti haasofnu, walitti siquun baay'ee barbaachisaadha. Qeerroo jirtu? Jirtu? Siqaa garan walaala keenya siqaa. Mee qeerroon achi fagaattanii jirtan sun asii siqaa gaa. Sagalee takkan hundinuu yeroo tokkotti haa dhageessifannu. Warri achi fagaatanii jirtan asii gaa, because hundinuu sagalee keenya dhageessuuf dhufne walitti taasisinu. Galatooma.
Jirtu. Kerra jirtu. UK government. UK government. Stop supporting. Sagalee hin jiru. Sagalee jirtu.
Kot.
UK government stop supporting is a killer government. UK government, don't be silent. UK government, don't be silent. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a killing children. Ethiopian government is a killing women. Abiy Ahmed must go. Abiy Ahmed must go. Amara soldier. Out of Oromia. Amara soldier. No justice in Oromia. No peace in Oromia. No justice. No justice. No peace. No justice. No justice. No peace. No peace. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Bakale Garba. Free Bakale Garba. Free Hamza Borana. Free all political prisoners. Free all political prisoners.
Kerra jirtu. Appakke dina baatna agarra kana iyyulle da gaari garu hamdan deekke sagale de nada ge siklu sagale de geesisu qattufne hawaasa keenyaaf sagale ta'uu masdufne en hayyoonni keenyaaf sagale ta'uu masdufne Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Baqqala Garba. Free Hamza Borana. Free Hamza Borana. Free all Oromo political prisoner. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Down Menelik. Down Menelik. Down Fano. Down Fano. Down Abiy. Justice for Oromo people. Justice for Oromo people. Justice for Oromo people. Justice for Oromo people. Justice for Tigray people. Justice for Tigray people. Justice for Oromo people. Justice for Oromo people. Free Oromo political prisoner. Free Oromo political prisoner. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free our leaders. Free our leaders. Free our leaders. Free our leaders. Free Jawar Mohammed. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Down Abiy. Down Menelik. Down Fano. Down Fano. Down PP. Down Pilsina. Down Naftanya. Down Naftanya. Justice. We need justice. We need justice. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. We need justice. We need freedom. We need justice. We need freedom.
Ijoollee waan isin baraa jirtanii waan isin beekuu qabdanii dhiiga gannamaa jiru ilaala. Haadha Oromoo irratti manni diigamaa jiru ilaala. Oromoo akka baala baqqalliisaatti lafatti gannamaa jiru ilaala. Kun lammii keenya, obbolaa keenya, haadha keenya, ijoolleen laga keessaa fileeniin irratti kafamaa jiru. Isiniif jedhaniiti, bilisa keessaniif jedhaniiti. Abaawoon har'a diinii irratti isin dhageessisee maqaan Oromoo dubbatamaa jira. Dur maqaan Oromoo eessa akka jiru hin beekamu. Uummanni keenya mana hidhaa keessa jiran ilaala. Uummata Wallaggaa ilaala. Lafa malee namni hin jiru, namni dhumeera dhugaa jirtuun isinitti himaan. Tokkoffaa miidiyaan hin dabarsuu fi ijoolleen miidiyaan jiran illee tokko namni sagalee isaanii dhagaa'u hin jiru. Manni dhumeera, namni dhumeera wallagga keessa lafa malee naman qabdanii dhugaa jirtuun isinitti himaa. Kanaafiyyuu ijoollee obbolaa keenya dhiigi isaanii lolaa jiran ilaala. Obbolaa keenya akka hoolaatti qalamaa jiran ilaala. Uummata Oromoo manni hidhaa waliin qatee muuziyeemiin mana hidhaa ta'eeraadha. Oromiyaa irratti akka salphanne biyya Itoophiyaa irratti Oromoo inni jedhamu akka ilaalamne akka Oromiyaan hin dubbatamne akka godhame dhageessanii argitanii. Har'a garuu dhuftanii addana dhaabattanii sagalee keessanii bee dhageessatu dhabdan. Utuu biyya qabaanne, utuu abbaa qabaanne, utuu nama dhuunfalmu qabaanne biyya nama keessatti dhimma rakkannuuf hin qabnu. Dhimma nama biyya namaa keessatti dhimma umurii keenya finnuuf hin qabnu. Biyya dhabneeti, nama nuu dhaabatu dhabneeti. Jawaar fa'aa, Baqqaleen fa'aa, uummanni Oromoo miliyoonii meeqa mana hidhaa keessa jiru badii tokko malee rakkachaa jiru. Dhannaqamaa jiru. Haadha Oromoo maaliif Jawaariin dhalte jedhamtee manni ishee galame irratti fattashamaa jira. Warri I don't know what it is. To be honest, I don't know what can I say. Maaliif akkasin fuukuu dadhabe, maaliif akkasin dhukkubsuu dadhabe hin beekan. Obbolaatu nurraa dhumaa jira, haadhatu nurraa du'aa jira, manatu nurratti deegamaa jira. Amaarri nu keessa galee, Eertiraan nu keessa galee, niitoorkii dhoksaadhaan ijaarratee biizinasii baree hoolaan horii ooffatee galaa jira. Mana irratti bobeessaa jira. Mee isinitti dhaga'amaa jira, isin dhukkubsaa jira. Dhuguma isinitti dhaga'amaa quuqama namummaa qabdu isin. Dhuguma dhiiga ilmaan Oromoo baattu warri saantiibaan bitamtanii Oromoo irratti utuu dhiigi lolaa jiru. Utuu dhiigi Oromoo lolaa jiru saantiibaan bitamtanii. Hundumti keessan kana isuma dhugaa seenaanis isin gaafata. Seenaa jalaa isin baasanii hormaan akkasin jettan hin beeku.
Jirtu! Kero! Jirtu! UK government! UK government! Is supporting the killer government in Ethiopia! In Ethiopia! Abiy Ahmed! He's a killer! Ethiopian Prime Minister! He didn't deserve Nobel Peace Prize! Nobel Peace Prize! UK government is stop funding Ethiopian government! Ethiopian government is killing children! He's raping women! UK government! Stop supporting the butcher. Ethiopian government is a killer. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Baqqalee Garbaa. Free Baqqalee Garbaa. Free Hamza Borana. Free Hamza Borana. Justice for Hachalu. Justice for Hachalu. Indagamu justice for Hachalu. Justice for Hachalu. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Eritrean soldiers out of Oromia. Eritrean soldiers out of Ethiopia. Eritrean soldiers out of Tigray. Eritrean soldiers out of Wallaka. Eritrean soldiers out of Wollo. Out of Wollo. Out of Oromia. Biltigina. Out of Oromia. Biltigina out of Oromia. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free our leader. UK government.
UK government. Stop funding. The Kenya government. In Ethiopia. UK government. Stop supporting. The Kenya. In Ethiopia. What do we want? What do we want? What do we want, Carlo? What do we want, Carlo? No more Putigina! No more Naftanya rule! No more Naftanya! No more Minilik! No more Minilik! No more Haile Selassie! No more Haile Selassie! No more Imiye! No more Imiye! UK government! Stop supporting the Kenya government in Ethiopia! Abiy Ahmed! Abiy Ahmed! He is a butcher! Ethiopian Prime Minister! He is a butcher! No more! No more! Fake election! Fake election! No more fake election! UK government is stop supporting the dictator in Ethiopia! UK government is stop funding the dictator government in Ethiopia! Ethiopia government is killing children! He's killing children! UK government is so supporting the future government in Ethiopia! Free Jawar Mohammed! Free our leader! Free our leader! Justice for Cairo! 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 Hamara soldiers! Out of Wallo! Hamara soldiers! Out of Wallaka! Hamara soldiers! Out of Oromia! Eritrea soldiers! Out of Oromia! UK government! So supporting the kilo in Ethiopia!
Thank you. Galatoma. Jawad, Mallet Kufa. We need justice. We need freedom. Al Jazeera. Well done. BBC. Well done. CNN. Well done. Al Jazeera. Well done. UK government. Well done. That is not enough. Justice. We need justice. We need freedom. No more Naftanya. No more Bizigna. No more Minilik. No more Haile Selassie. Down Naftanya. Down Minilik. We need justice. We need freedom. Free Jawar Mohammed. Free Baqila Garba. Free Hamza Borana. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Justice
Turkish government is still supporting the dictator. Chinese government is still supporting the dictator in Ethiopia. Turkish clan, killing our children. Turkish clan, killing our children. Is so supporting the dictator. Chinese government is so supporting the killer government in Ethiopia. Turkish government is so supporting the killer government. Turkish Shabani, Shabani is so supporting the killer government in Ethiopia. Turkish clan, killing our children. Turkish clan, killing civilian. We demand justice. We demand freedom. UK government stop funding the killer government in Ethiopia. We demand justice. Free Jar Mohammed. Free Venkata Free all our political prisoners. Justice for Karre. Justice for Emmanuel. Justice for Hacharu. Justice for Apagada. Stop killing Oromo. Stop killing Afghan. Stop killing Afghan. Nuclear government. Stop funding. Abdii Rakkaasaa, Gammachuu Ayyaanaa, Jawaar Mohaammed